Just look how it comes packaged. Happiness! Oh, I am so excited. Look, and a little bow. Oh dear. Right. Okay. Let's have a look. Oh my goodness. This is just my absolute favourite. So these are the milers. Look at these cute little spoons. God, I've forgotten how much I've actually ordered. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. So this, I think, is the 5 different types of miler, I think, which I'm going to be using, or I'm not sure what order. Of course, my husband decides to hoover now. Just a minute. Okay, so I've shut the door. Okay. So, I'm not sure which is which really, but oh my goodness. Oh gosh. Okay, so I'm just going to pause this. Okay, so the first thing I have to show you in here, in this box of goodies, is this. This is the best glitter in the entire world. Why, I hear you ask? Because the beautiful Yvonne at Resin Supplies Den has actually named a glitter after me. So a little while ago, I jokingly said, because she's called all of her glitters different female names, I said I wasn't going to buy a glitter unless it was called Chantal, so jokingly. And look, she's called it Chantal. That's just hilarious. I love you to bits, Yvonne. You're so funny. And this one actually is, so I saw this and it's slightly different. It's a bit of a warmer tone. These look beautiful in my ocean scenes, and this is called Ariel. All of these have been paid for with my own money, so let me just take you through. So this is like a 5-pack of glitters. You only apparently need the tiniest amount, which I'm going to be using for another project, which you might have already seen. I'm not sure when I'm going to post this, so I'm not going to ruin the surprise. So they're just more finely packed miler glitters. So you can see that one has kind of a purplish tinge to them, and that has kind of a bit of pink and a bit of peachy green in. And this one has a bit more green but not so much peach. And this one has more of a bluey tinge to it. So that's the, oh, and here's another one here, which has a bit of purple, a bit of green and blue. So I'm going to put them all together there because I'm going to need them for a project I'm doing. And then Yvonne also does inclusions. So let me show you some of the inclusions. So little tiny flowers. Love these. Check out these butterflies. Aren't they beautiful? And they're tiny. They're absolutely tiny. You can see they're like about 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, something like that. Aren't they beautiful? And then I do love a rainbow. Aren't these beautiful? Little pastel rainbows. And I love these. I've forgotten what these are called, but they're from a game that my son really loves. I'm sure that you'll be screaming at me in the comments. But they're cute, aren't they? They're really cute. And then I've got some more of these little flowers, aren't they? Beautiful. I've got plans for you. And I got 2 lots of them. And she does them in different colours, so of course I had to have all of them. So these are the pink ones. And look at these! These are so cute. They're little tiny iridescent clouds. Just love these. And little tiny turtles. And little tiny dolphins. All iridescent. I do love me iridescent stuff, don't I? Oh look, here's another like colour. Use your words, woman. Yeah, another colour of those little tiny sort of. So here's the pink version, light pink version, and the fuchsia version, and the red version. So I had to have all of them, of course. All of this is paid for by myself. And look, these are the tiniest little butterflies. Aren't they delicate? And then tiny little iridescent hearts, and in the pink as well, and some more iridescent hearts. I think those are the same as that. I just love iridescent things, and I just chuck them in everything now because I just love them. And purple mylar flakes, these are slightly bigger. Lavender sparkles, fine metallic lavender. Just honestly, I don't know how she sleeps at night and doesn't like look at these all the time. Let's say mother of pearl clouds, more mother of pearl clouds. And okay, so this is the gold version, so this is the full range, I think. I'm sure she'll correct me if I'm wrong. But so there is the light pink, dark pink, red and gold little flowers, and they are tiny. And when I was first starting resin, I spent hours on the internet looking for the tiniest little things to go in moulds, and I could have just gone here to Resin Supplies Den. These I cannot wait to use. They are glow in the dark little moons and stars. I can't wait to try these, I'm telling you. I've got big plans for you. And look, you tiny stubbies. So I thought I'd make some, yeah, anyway, I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to wait and show you when I do them. I won't spoil surprise. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me with my little haul. And I will be back soon. I will be just looking at these probably for quite a bit of time. Thank you so much.